Hello and welcome back to another video on the channel. So today is actually looking at an armour that I finished back in 2020, but there's been a few questions recently on which armour kit it is, which type of plastic it is, and a few other queries. So I thought I'd do a quick slideshow, run you through the helmet and armour build and a few little bits in between. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please feel free to drop a like and subscribe. As always with these sorts of A&H Stormtrooper stunt helmet builds, the alignment of the faceplate and back and cap is very key, as well as key features like the eyes, cutting them out with something sharp so you get a nice angular cut, but also things like the ear alignment, brow height, all those sorts of things which I've covered in other videos. As I've done with many other helmets in the past, this is a mock HDPE helmet, so I've spray painted it a similar colour to the original plastics used for the stunt helmets back in 1976 when they were making them, which was a greenish khaki coloured colour. After applying some masking fluid, you can then apply the white gloss, or if you want to, another primer. But for me this was a white gloss, slightly off-white again to represent the original helmets used back in A New Hope. Again, keeping it true to the original helmets, all of the details on this helmet have been hand painted, including the vocoder, the traps, tiers, all of that done by hand, with colours that match the originals as close as possible. Just like with the helmet, I put a lot of time and effort into following reference photos as much as possible for building the armour. This includes things like how to align the parts together, how to apply and how to cut and trim the cover strips, and many other features used in the original armours. This comparison photo shows just how close I got to the original armour. In this case this was the Troopermaster's suit, but again, how to cut and piece these things together to look like they've just walked off the set. Again, just like the originals, I used the bracket method for the internal strapping to hold the torso parts together. If you're really looking to capture the finer details of what you see on screen, I'd really recommend using screenshots of actual screen used props and comparing that to what you're building as you go along. Commonly, a lot of people mount their holster around 20mm away from the edge of the plastic ammo belt, although by looking at reference photos, my personal guess is that that's more like maybe 30 to 40mm, so I went with that. Also, you see on the back of the belt here, I really modelled this on the RS Prop Master's actual screen used ammo belt. And that's me fully kitted up for a test suit up of the Troopermaster armour. I've done more detailed videos on other building techniques, so please feel free to check out those playlists. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please feel free to drop a like and subscribe. Take care of yourselves, bye bye.